Spiro Dimick. I am Director of Supply Chain Systems at Sleepy's. I was challenged with developing a solution that would allow the organization to be as efficient and productive as possible. And our Oracle ERP application posed numerous challenges. And based on its inherent design, we were coming across many applications that had functions that were quite cumbersome. And it was quite refreshing when we came across API Wizard. It's not often that you find a third-party vendor that integrates as seamlessly as it does with an Oracle application, and it is extremely intuitive. It was very rewarding to be able to take our staff here and get them quickly acclimated into the API Wizard environment, and the support that we had was incredible. API Wizard was there from beginning to end, helping us troubleshoot our applications, providing us insight into how to design them more efficiently, and they were there to answer any question whenever we wanted it. That in and of itself made it an invaluable product. And every opportunity that we had where we could leverage the functionality and produce applications that allow the users to work in an environment that they're comfortable with, such as Excel, we capitalized on those opportunities, and we continue to look for ways to continue to use the application throughout the organization to enhance their day-to-day operations. So, in summation, it is a product that is extremely easy to use, provides a lot of benefit, definite cost savings with respect to hours that individuals spend working on specific tasks, because it does add an incredible amount of efficiency into any organization. Highly recommended to anybody.